What's going on, guys? Justin Murphy here with iCoach Nutrition, and today I have a very special guest, my beautiful wife, Alex. And today we're gonna bring y'all our 5 favorite recipes to cook. And when I say recipes, I'm not talking about like a 45-minute recipe out of a cookbook. I'm talking our favorite 10 to 15 minute recipes that we like to cook each and every week. So we're gonna start off with tacos first and show y'all exactly how we do it. Here we go.
Okay, so for our tacos, these are the ingredients that we use. We have just extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, ground buffalo, tortillas, shredded cheese, pico de gallo, avocado, and some spinach.
All right, guys, time to make tacos. So first off, we're gonna start off with the stovetop here. So Alex is gonna go ahead and turn on the heat. And she's also going to grab some of the olive oil here just so that the meat is not sticking to the pan. So she can do, a tablespoon or 2 there. And then from there, just kind of moving it around and making sure that we're getting it all over the pan. From there, I got a pound of ground buffalo. You can do ground beef, ground turkey, chicken. You can do whatever you want with these tacos here. But from there, we're gonna go ahead and put that into the stovetop and we're gonna start letting it cook. So we're on basically, mid to high heat on the stovetop. All right, from there, we're just gonna take some salt and pepper. We'll sprinkle that over the ground bison. And then when she's doing that, all the other ingredients are pretty much ready to go. So like we said, we have our spinach, we have our tortillas, our avocado, pico de gallo, and cheese. So as soon as the meat is done, I'm gonna get the tortillas, I'm gonna lay them across the pan, and I'll kind of heat those up just a bit. Kind of gives a little bit of a crunch to that tortilla. And then from there, we'll load it up. So this is a really, really quick meal. Tacos is something that we make all the time. You can switch it up and put different veggies in there, and you can use different meats. And it's truly something that takes like 10 minutes to prepare. All right, guys, while Alex is finishing up the ground buffalo over there, I'm gonna go ahead and slice the avocado up. Yeah, and fun fact for y'all, if you're ever using half of avocado and you wanna save the other half, just take that shell and cover it up, and then you can put it right back in the refrigerator and it won't get brown. And then going back to this guy, I'm just gonna cut very, very fine slices. Put that guy over, you can pull out the shell. Turns out these avocados are not all the way ready, it seems like. Alright, so avocado is all sliced up. Sorry for my terrible performance there, that was pretty bad. But hopefully that gave you that human element that you don't have to be, some crazy, complex chef in order to be able to cook easy meals. So the ground bison here is finishing up, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the tortillas, and I like to just kind of throw them on the stovetop here, just to kind of crisp them up a little bit. First tortilla across, I'm gonna get a spinach layer first. So load that thing up with greens, load it up with veggies, and then from there, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take some of the ground bison. So just kind of let that water or that extra liquid pour out. We'll pour that over the tortilla there. And then from there, I'll take my shredded cheese. Just get a little pinch of that guy there. We'll sprinkle that all across. That way it'll kind of melt into the ground bison. If you love cheese, you'll love these. All right, and then from there, we'll get some of this avocado here. Make that presentation as beautiful as you would like. From there, obviously with the pico, you can cut this up and you can make it yourself. With me, I just chose to buy it pre-made, which at Whole Foods for a container of this, what was it? Yeah, it's kind of expensive. It's like $5. But if you need something quick and easy on the go, then definitely helps. And then from there, we'll just lay that guy across. Boom, boom.
I love sauce.
And then Alex, she loves sauce. She puts sauce on everything. So you can get some sriracha, Cholula, hot sauce, whatever you want. You can kind of drizzle that guy across. She likes a lot of sauce. And there we go. Tacos. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that. That recipe literally took like 5 minutes. And you know, like I said, you can switch up any of the meats there. You can switch up different veggies. You can really make these tacos out to be whatever you want. But this is definitely one of our favorite recipes. Wouldn't you enjoy or agree? Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So to finish things off here, we are gonna give Alex the most massive, epic bite of a taco ever. How is it?
I'm good.
I'm good? Mm-hmm. I'm good. All right, guys. Next week, we will be bringing to y'all burgers. See you then.